In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a sense of balance can often feel elusive. Amidst the hustle and bustle, cultivating gratitude has emerged as a powerful antidote to stress and dissatisfaction. One of the most accessible tools to harness this positive outlook is a gratitude journal, a simple yet transformative practice embraced by people worldwide. Gratitude journals are more than just a collection of daily reflections. They are a window into appreciating life's blessings, big and small. By dedicating a few minutes each day to writing down what you're grateful for, you can shift your focus from what is lacking to what is abundant. This subtle shift in perspective fosters a sense of contentment and well-being, making it easier to navigate life's challenges with a positive mindset. Research has shown that keeping a gratitude journal offers myriad benefits: improved mood, better sleep, and even enhanced relationships. It's a tool that helps us pause and reflect, breaking the continuous cycle of rushing through life. For many, this daily practice becomes a cherished ritual, an anchor that provides stability and grounding amidst life's uncertainties. But gratitude journaling is just the beginning. As we strive for a balanced life, exploring complementary tools can further enrich our journey. Mindfulness meditation is one such practice that pairs beautifully with gratitude. By training our attention to remain in the present moment, mindfulness enhances our ability to savor positive experiences, reinforcing the gratitude mindset cultivated through journaling. Additionally, incorporating acts of kindness into daily routines extends gratitude beyond the page. Engaging in small gestures of kindness towards others not only spreads positivity, but also strengthens our own sense of connection and community. The simple act of offering a smile, a word of encouragement, or even lending a helping hand can create a ripple effect, spreading joy and gratitude far beyond what might seem possible. Journaling doesn't have to be limited to gratitude alone. Personal development journals can deepen self-awareness and foster resilience. By reflecting on challenges and charting personal growth, these journals complement the gratitude practice, offering a fuller picture of one's life journey. Combining both gratitude and personal development reflections can unlock insights, empowering individuals to create more intentional and fulfilling lives. Moreover, as technology continues to advance, digital platforms offer new avenues for journaling. Apps designed for gratitude and personal development are now widely available, providing reminders, prompts, and data insights right at our fingertips. They offer flexibility and accessibility for those who prefer typing over handwriting, making it easier to maintain a consistent practice. In conclusion, gratitude journals open the door to a more fulfilled and balanced life, but they are part of a broader toolkit. By combining gratitude journaling with mindfulness practices, acts of kindness, and a commitment to personal growth, we can cultivate a sense of harmony and purpose. These tools remind us that balance is not a destination, but a journey, an ongoing practice of gratitude, awareness, and intentional living. As we embrace these practices, we create a life not only of balance, but of richness and meaning, where each day is greeted with a heart full of gratitude and a spirit eager to grow.